So supplements can help you build muscle, and building muscle, get an impressive lean muscular physique is what it's all about when it comes to fixing your pectus with exercise and making your pectus look as least noticeable as you can with building muscle. Okay, so supplements actually can help. And so in today's video, I want to talk about the supplements that are worth taking for you if you've got pectus and you want to build muscle to make it look better. Because honestly, there are so many supplements out there and 99% of them are a waste of money, a waste of time. I've tried thousands of supplements in the 15 years that I've been working out and ever since I started my journey to fix my pectus. And there's been two supplements that I've stuck with that have actually given me a good result and have been worthwhile. And these are two supplements that I prescribe for my clients as well. And yeah, so I wanted to share them with you in this video. So firstly, any kind of supplement that claims to help you shred or lose fat, skip that. Do not take that. Also, if you've considered taking steroids, do not take steroids. I've had so many people message me like, will steroids help me fix my pectus? It's like, well, yes, steroids will help you build muscle, which will make your pectus look better, but they will also give you 10,000 other side effects that is just so not worth your while. And then on top of that, when it comes to making pectus look better, it's about getting a lean, muscular, like athletic body. It's not about getting super jacked. You want to be jacked, but it's not that like crazy level of jacked. It's just like a lean athletic body that helps make the pectus look better by having like defined muscles and sculpted chest. So steroids is not a supplement that I would recommend you take, but the ones that I do recommend you take is protein powder and creatine. They're the two that I take currently and that I've taken for the last decade, and they're the two that really help. Now, let me just quickly say, supplements are supplements. They are like the final 1%. And so many people ask me about what supplements should I take. And it's like, well, first, let's make sure you're following a proper program. You're training properly with progressive overload, with good exercise selection, and a program that's tailored to you and your pectus. And secondly, let's make sure your nutrition is in check. They are the big factors. They are the things that are going to make the biggest difference. Supplements are just that final icing on the cake, okay? And then also supplements are there to supplement if you can't achieve something in your diet. So for example, for me, I'm vegetarian. I've been vegetarian for like 7 years now. And so for me to hit my protein targets is really hard to do that through food. So I supplement with protein powder, and I have about 2 scoops of protein powder a day to help me hit my protein target. So I get 60 grams through powder, and it helps me. Also, protein powder tastes delicious. It's a great thing to add to smoothies, to oats, to make them taste good. So I love protein powder. It's like my dessert. And it helps me hit my protein targets. So the protein powder is one that generally most people need, because to build optimal muscle, you want to have at least 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight at least. I like to prescribe a little bit more than that. So, if you're a 180 pound guy, you need 180 grams or preferably more like 200 grams of protein per day to be optimal for muscle building. And to achieve that through food is a lot of meat, a lot of protein. So it's definitely achievable, but most people need protein powder to help them. That's the only way and reason to take protein. I just take a whey protein. You can take a collagen protein, you can take a vegan protein. They all work. They're all just going to help boost your daily protein intake, which is what you're trying to do with supplementing protein powder. Now, the other supplement is creatine, creatine monohydrate. I take 10 grams a day every day. I am 92 kilos, like 205 pounds. I'm very active. I'm vegetarian, so I have low levels of creatine naturally in my diet, because creatine is found in things like red meat. And so for me, I have creatine. I have 10 grams a day to help me. Most people only need about 5 grams a day. And honestly, some people don't respond too well with creatine. Some people respond amazingly. It's something to just try for yourself. It's one of the most researched supplements. It's safe, and you should just give it a go if you're considering, and see if it gives you any kind of strength or muscle increase. For me, I find it just helps me be like maybe a couple percentage stronger, and maybe my muscles look a tiny bit more full. That's probably what I find with creatine. It's not a game changer. So creatine and protein, that's it. That's all I recommend. Obviously, caffeine can be good before a workout, but I don't recommend a pre-workout filled with heaps of shit. I reckon they make you feel horrible. So I just have coffee for me. But it's up to you and your go-to caffeine source. But sometimes that can be good to give you a good workout, but you also don't want to be reliant on like caffeine to actually give you enough energy for a good workout either. But again, as I said before, guys, like this is the final 1 or 2%. Honestly, like so many people want this magic pill, the supplements or whatever, but look, it's hard work, it's consistency in the gym, and it's good diet. That's what's going to get you a great result. And so if you do want to get a good result, you want a proper plan, you want a nutrition strategy, you should get a coach. That's what I do. I coach people with pectus. I've been doing it for the last 10 plus years. I've helped thousands of people, and I'd love to have you on board. So if you're interested, go to my website, fixpectus.com. Read more about my coaching, fill out the application form, and then if you're a good fit, book a call with me so I can meet you, get to know you and your pectus, assess your condition, and determine the proper plan and strategy for you.